On the 8th of Dhul Hijjah, 60 AH, Imam Hussain left Mecca. Not for safety, but to protect the sanctity of the Kaaba from bloodshed. He turned his Hajj into Umrah and began a journey, not just across land, but into history. First stop, Tanim, where he paused to pray and reflect, then to Safa, Bane Ruma, Zurud, and Abta. Each stop, hotter, quieter, heavier with purpose.
People are slaves of this world. Religion is only on their tongues. When trials come, few remain true.
Zubala, where he stops the caravan and received the news that Muslim Ibn Aqil has been martyred in Kufa.
Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. We are moving towards death. Whoever wants to leave may leave now.
But not one soul left him. Imam Hussein's path is blocked, but his resolve unshaken. From Makkah to Karbala, every step was a sermon. Every pause was resistance. Every mile, a lesson in courage. He wasn't just going to Karbala, he was leading humanity toward truth.